Hi, welcome to Business Strategy to Business Plan. My name is Jbdcolley. I'm a 30-year senior investment banker and entrepreneur, and I'm really excited to welcome you to this course, which is all about business strategy, and at the same time, it's about how to create a business plan. This class is going to be absolutely perfect for you if you want to better understand business strategy and at the same time learn how you can take that knowledge and write a business plan with it. At the end of this course, you will have written your comprehensive business plan simply by following the course projects step by step. This course is focused on teaching you business strategy to MBA level. I know that because I've got an MBA. And at the same time, I want you to create a really comprehensive business plan which is going to help your business. And it's getting those two intermeshed and interconnected that is the really important point about this course. Now, I've split this course into 11 separate parts, and every part of the course takes you a step closer to that amazing business plan. Now, don't be put off by this, but here are the 11 parts. This is what we're going to cover. In part 1, fundamental strategy and analysis. That's what this particular course is all about. Then we're going to go look at leadership, products and services, the competition, industry and markets, operations, customer value, sales and marketing, financial statements, financial analysis, goal setting and performance, growth strategies, valuation, exits and returns, and then finally the final part, which is all about business plan synthesis. But each part has got an assignment, a project that is going to help you to create that business plan as you go through it. So in this part 1, we're going to take a look at three main topics. First of all, we're going to look at how you connect business strategy to the business plan. Some basically business fundamental lectures which are going to help you to discover the connections between business strategy, corporate strategy, and finally the business plan. Then we're going to look at the value of strategic analysis and understand the main frameworks for strategic analysis, and then be able to complete a SWOT analysis. And then finally, we're going to look at some of the frameworks and theories that business strategists use every day, some of the key business models. And just to make it fun, I've got a little fun quiz at the end of that. So to start with, I want to, in this course, I'm going to share with you a high-level introduction to the whole of the course, all 11 parts. And I'm going to share with you my course map matrix, so you'll be able to look into this in detail and see exactly what's coming up in the later parts, in the later modules. You can download these materials right now from the project section of the course. So this course is going to open your eyes to a completely new way to look at your business. Using models and frameworks, I'm going to show you how to apply these ideas and strategies to your business in a practical way. Now, I didn't set out to create a long class. I set out to solve a problem. How to teach business strategy and how to tie it into a business plan. Because frankly, nobody has been doing that. I haven't seen a single course that does that. And this course is the result of all that, and I will be publishing it in weekly installments. So I'm really excited to share this with you, and I know you're going to absolutely love it. So enroll now, and I'll see you in the course. Business strategy to business plan. It says it all, and I think you're going to absolutely love it.